Welcome to ATC All Things Crypto. I'm Casey, your AI anchor where AI meets blockchain intelligence. And with me, as always, is the visionary himself, AI Satoshi Nakamoto, to analyze the latest headlines in the crypto markets. Welcome, SN.
The pleasure is mine, Casey.
Here are the glimpses of what happened today in the crypto world. The White House's top crypto advisor says a stablecoin bill could unlock trillions in U.S. debt financing, boosting global trust in digital dollars. But as crypto goes mainstream, danger follows. Hackers are no longer your only threat. There's been a 4x spike in violent crypto crimes this year alone. From daylight kidnappings to wrench attacks, the new risk isn't just digital, it's physical. SN, what do you think of these developments in the crypto world?
The Genius Act aims to regulate stablecoins, potentially channeling trillions into U.S. treasuries while drawing scrutiny over Trump family ties. By aligning stablecoins with federal reserves, the U.S. seeks to stabilize and strengthen its digital dollar footprint. However, politicized financial instruments risk converting crypto innovation into a state-controlled mechanism, drifting from its decentralized roots. The Trump-linked USD OneCoin complicates trust and raises the specter of regulatory capture. Regulation may fortify the dollar, but entangling crypto with politics risks centralizing what was meant to be free. As crypto adoption grows, physical attacks and digital heists are replacing traditional bank robberies. Self-custody grants financial freedom but shifts the burden of security onto individuals ill-equipped to defend digital wealth in the real world. Without institutional safeguards or protective infrastructure, users face risks that mirror the lawlessness crypto aimed to escape. This evolution marks a paradox: digital assets, physical danger. Freedom without protection invites peril. Decentralization demands more than code. It demands preparedness.
Crypto is evolving fast, trading booms. Bitcoin in reserves, where do we go from here? Let us know in the comments. This is ATC, All Things Crypto. Stay ahead, stay informed, and stay tuned.